He's being racist, disrespectful. He was intoxicated, so we said that he couldn't go.
No, we're going.
No, I'm still not real.
Okay, let's go to jail.
Abandonment. Oh, but it's 30. Oh, no wonder it's 30 though.
What separates a lawful arrest from a constitutional violation? Sometimes the answer is a single decision, made in an airport concourse, that most people would not recognize as a crime at all.
This gentleman?
Yeah. He
So what's
removed him from
going
the airport. He's been really disrespectful.
Yeah.
He's being racist, disrespectful. He was intoxicated, so we said that he couldn't go. But he just got out of hand.
Okay. We'll do
So I canceled his ticket.
He cannot fly with
He cannot
Southwest?
fly with Southwest Airlines. Nope.
Okay. Hey, what's
I
up?
think he was just making a change, a transfer.
Oh, what's up, man? How's it going?
Good. Did you just hear everything I just went on?
No, I'm
They
so
don't.
good.
Listen,
Nah,
they don't want to have you as a customer anymore
why not?
because you're being disrespectful, you're being racist, and they have a choice. No, this is not up for debate. And they have a choice because it's their airline. They just don't want your business. You and I do not have a problem, so I'm going to make a suggestion to you. If you want to keep your freedom, you're going to go ahead and you're going to listen to everything I say. We're going to walk to the other side of the airport, and you can pick another airline to fly with.
Okay.
It's that simple. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Let's go.
But can you repeat this one more time?
What's that? They
No,
believe.
Bro, I'm saying I have to go to another airline, right?
Yeah, you can use another airline.
Yeah, I know, but what's the other airline? Because she's...
Where are you going to?
Yes.
Where?
No, Texas.
Okay, there's I can go over there and I can probably help you try to find something in Texas. There might be a Frontier. I don't know the airlines, but I'll help you.
Okay.
Okay? Let's go take a walk.
I'm not trying to be like that.
I know you're not.
I'm
That's
saying she's being very micro. It's like the microaggression is kind of weird. But
okay.
I
But
know.
it's not up for debate, unfortunately.
Yeah, I know. I understand.
Okay,
I
let's go
understand.
take-
It's because she's like I know.
Okay, so just remember,
Yeah.
we'll just keep it going.
No,
Okay.
I'm good.
Thank you, man.
I just have a flight with my friends. Bro.
Yes. What's that?
I'm trying to see.
Okay. Let's go ahead and we'll make phone calls if we have to, okay?
No, but I'm a flight to Austin, actually.
You
Austin.
can't do it on Southwest. You have to find another airlines
Okay, so I'm banned from what?
from Southwest.
Because
Your behavior. I didn't witness it. I'm not here. It's
Brother,
not up for debate.
I was
Listen.
charging my phone. I wasn't doing anything.
I get you. Well, what's your first name?
Steve.
Steve, you probably had too much to drink. You know,
Did
you probably did because I think you're a little drunk right now. I can tell. I've been drunk before too, and
Listen.
I've done some stuff that I probably shouldn't have done.
Brother, I've been drunk as well. I promise you.
We'll do it while we walk.
It's so funny because my friends are on the flight. I don't know who this is.
Let's go, Steve.
Okay.
You ever been to jail?
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Chris.
Chris? Okay, Chris, listen. I've been to jail, yes.
Do you want to go again? I don't want to take you, Steve. I don't.
Chris, brother, I have done nothing but complied.
Okay. You're not complying right now.
Okay, I'll comply with you. But I just need to make my flight to Puerto Rico.
Not on Southwest. We got to do it on a different airline. I'm going to help you. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to help you. All right?
Okay, I'll walk with you.
Let's go right here. Come on. No, you're not.
I'm good. Still over here?
No, we're going.
No, I'm still over here.
Okay, let's go to jail. Turn around.
Wait, no, but I'm saying, wait.
We have to leave this area. It's not up for negotiation.
Okay.
Okay? We have to get on this shuttle right here and we got to go.
Dude,
Or I take you in my car to jail.
okay.
And you don't go to Puerto Rico. You have the options right now to not go to jail.
I'm still getting on the airline.
You're not getting on this airline. They do not want to have you there.
I understand, but you guys are like mistreating me.
I'm not mistreating you.
Yes,
I'm giving
I am.
you the option.
Because my dad is trying to take me home.
Okay, let's get to your dad.
Steve,
Okay.
I want to get
Where's
you
your dad at?
Then just chill.
Okay.
Steve, so let's get on this.
Okay.
We already talked about this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, well, you're
all
being
bad,
so
man.
weird. And it's funny, because grammatically, you know, like, it's like the same
Not too
shit.
close, not too close.
Not too close. Okay, then challenge, what?
Like we could use words without getting close. Is what he's trying to say.
Brother, we can use
you, my
words.
friend. I can hear you.
Okay, but just look, my dad is coming to pick me up.
Let's get you
I
on the other
got
side.
challenged by the airline. I'm chilling, I'm cooling. I just sat down to wait for my friends. I did not do anything. You're being weird And no, I'm saying, just chill, bro. Look.
Do you fly Southwest a lot?
Yes, I do.
All right. So here's the thing: if we just keep going like this, they won't ban you or anything bad will happen.
Okay, but I just want to go
Oh, they
home.
already have. Okay, never mind.
That's it. I want to go home.
He's showing racist behavior over there. He's wanting to be bitter with them. He's wanting to argue with them. And I said, you and I don't have an issue,
Yes, we don't.
but you have an issue with them.
Brother, I don't have an issue with anyone here.
Okay. Are you familiar with the corporate process of how to make
No,
complaints?
I'm not.
Okay. You want some education on that? You're saying you did nothing wrong, yes?
Yes.
They're saying you did something wrong, yes? So what you can do...
Brother, my friends
We're
are
gonna get on
on
this
the Southwest flight. I left
Okay.
because my dad went to pick me up. I have my bag,
Okay, that's
yes,
fine.
I'm just going to leave the airport. Dude.
Okay, and we're gonna get you there. So where is your dad picking up on the A side? Southwest?
No, he's on B terminal.
Okay, we'll take you to B terminal. Can you call your dad?
Yes, I can.
And then we'll figure out exactly where on B terminal. And we'll lead you right there.
Try to find out.
Let's go over here, Fan. So let's call your dad and figure out where on B terminal he's at. Is he here ready?
Bro, you know my dad is at?
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm trying to figure out B terminal.
Yes.
But like where? Like there's level.
I mean, I want him to gas though. I want blue eyes, the great beard, all that. I want him to gas.
The doors and hold on to the
You're so
I'm not going to play a game.
racist. You're so racist.
with the main terminal. You will be arriving.
We're going to get you on the other side, and we're going to try to get you to where you need to go, okay?
Baggage claim is on level 2.
That's on B terminal, right?
Hello, this is Orlando Airplane Center. You're a
Promise me
resident.
what?
Welcome.
What you promised me.
You're racist.
Welcome to the
You have a right to have that opinion.
year of imagination
I do.
and
You do.
reality of theme parks and attractions. Authentic experiences are found.
This is why you're not flying with them. Because your behavior.
Orlando.
All right, bro.
All right? This is why they don't want you to fly with them. Okay? I forgive you.
Let's call your dad. He's at B terminal. He's either 3 or like level 2.
He also has friends here. He doesn't know where they're at, so.
They're at B terminal, going to Tampa.
Okay. All right. Let's figure that out, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah, see, I told him, I said I'd help
Wait,
him try
what's
to
your-
figure all this out.
Okay, what's your number? What's your office number?
I'll get you all that information.
Okay, office Fannin. Oh, but it's 30. Oh, no wonder it's 30 though. Okay, so Fannin. Okay, but I'll take a picture of that.
Yeah, take a picture.
Yeah, I will.
I'm recording you too.
Yeah, that's fine, dude. Cause I'm just on the airport trying to get to my dad. Office. Oh, you're Corporal Fannin. Oh, that makes sense, dude. That
I
makes
am?
so.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Sergeant?
That's your bus right there. The pink one. The pink one.
Oh, the pink one.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, this is the orange one.
Take it. Go ahead. I don't care. Take it.
I mean, I'm not even sure, bro.
You give me all the time. Go and get him.
He has a pass. Give him the fucking pass.
So come on. I've been
Give him the pass. Give him the pass.
What pass y'all give me?
The bus pass.
Which one?
The red one.
This
Right there.
I don't know which. Yeah.
Swipe the card, brother.
Bro, you're bugging over what?
That's the problem.
Brother, I don't know you.
Swipe the card. You know how to swipe a card, correct? So swipe the card.
Alright, so I being aggressive.
Alright, bro, because you playing games, bro. You purposely playing
I
games.
just
Swipe the
stepped
card.
in the.
Swipe the card, man.
Brother, what the? Swipe.
You got game. Wow.
Yo, I don't know this dude. Why you playing aggro, nigga? I don't know you.
Get in the back. How does this work, dude? Which side?
I don't know you, Mahar. I don't know you. You're basically.
Yo, go sit
I don't know you.
down. Go sit down.
I'm Mahar. I don't know you.
Go sit down.
I don't know this, bro.
Drop him off the first stop. Get him out of here. Good. Alright. Come on. Come over here.
Come on, I'll go.
You were trespassing, were you not?
Oh, okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Get over it.
No, you're done. It's done.
No, I'm from Maryland.
I don't care.
I'm not even from
Okay.
Maryland.
I don't care. All right, we're gonna take your
Okay.
thing off. All right.
That's fine, bro. make sure my bag makes it safe.
Oh yeah, your bag will go with you.
Yeah, I'm not even from Florida, bro. No.
So you understand why you're being detained right now, right?
Honestly, not really.
Yeah.
So you have the trespass paperwork. You would trespass. We gave you a bus pass on the agreement that you were going to leave the airport, and then you came back. So that's why you're being detained.
I'm not from Florida. Bro. I'm from Maryland.
I know, but that's
I'm from Maryland.
My car's over there. Yeah. Do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, poke me, stick me?
No, bro.
No.
You can check it real quick.
I'll probably just call like my girlfriend in Maryland. By the way,
You can call your girlfriend when we get
I'm not from Orlando, bro. But I mean,
we're gonna put your wallet and your glasses and your paperwork inside your bag, okay? Is your boarding pass in there? Yeah, it's in his wallet. Yeah.
probably.
Your cell phone's gonna go in there too.
So is anybody just getting like left out tonight, like robbed away?
That's more of a question for.
We gave you like 7 opportunities. All you had to do is
Somebody
trespassing is a safety.
bro, I didn't
Spread your legs for me.
Yep.
Have a seat.
183 is what you got, right?
Can I get a phone call?
Yeah, when you get to the jail.
Oh, okay. My bad, bro.
You're good, man. You nervous, bro?
A little bit, because I was trying to catch a flight back home.
I'm a bit nervous.
I'm not even right now.
49 U.S.C. Section 44,000. 902 grants airlines unilateral federal authority to deny boarding for intoxication or disruptive behavior. No imminent safety threat is required. This is a federal regulatory power. It's not a civil rights question. The Air Carrier Access Act, 49 U.S.C. Section 41,000. 705 prohibits airline discrimination based on disability only. Race is not a protected class for boarding decisions under this statute. Conduct-based removal is facially neutral and legally sufficient. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U.S. 429, 1,991. A police encounter in a public transit space is not a Fourth Amendment seizure unless a reasonable person would not feel free to terminate the encounter. Consensual contact carries no Miranda obligation and no detention standard. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1,968. Once an officer establishes lawful contact based on reasonable suspicion. Directives issued during that contact carry legal force. Choosing to physically disregard those directives is legally consequential. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1,987. Verbal criticism of police, including false accusations and profanity, is protected speech under the First Amendment. No arrest may be grounded solely in offensive speech directed at an officer. Florida Statute Section 810.8. Trespass after warning requires 3 elements. A warning to depart given by an authorized person, an act of departure by the subject, and a willful return to the same structure. All 3 were met the moment the subject re-entered the terminal. Fourth Amendment. A warrantless arrest is constitutionally valid when officers personally witness the commission of the offense. Re-entering a trespass property in the direct presence of officers establishes probable cause at the moment of observation. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1,989. Any force applied during arrest is assessed by objective reasonableness, evaluated from the officer's perspective at the moment of the decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Chimel v. California, 395 U.S., 752, 1,969. A warrantless search incident to arrest is constitutionally valid, but strictly limited to the arrestee's person and the area within their immediate physical control. Legal lesson. Accepting a trespass condition and then returning eliminates all ambiguity. The offense is legally complete the moment you re-enter the property. Ignorance of that consequence is not a recognized defense. Legal lesson. Know the threshold between a consensual encounter, an investigative detention under Terry, and a formal arrest under the Fourth Amendment. Each phase carries different rights, different obligations, different exposure. One question this footage does not resolve. Was the trespass warning reduced to a written document? Florida courts have not uniformly ruled. on whether a verbal warning alone satisfies Section 810.8 in all circumstances. That gap matters in court. And if the airline's stated reasons were pretextual, does any federal framework create a pathway to challenge the denial of boarding? The footage gives you the facts. The law gives you the tools. The answer is not as simple as this encounter appears.